Good day, sir. In this video presentation is we will going to explain the hair in fiber. So first, what is fiber? Fiber is the smallest single unit forming the basis of the textile yarn. Fiber can be spun with other fibers to form a yarn. Hair color is mostly the result of pigments, which are the chemical compounds that reflect certain wavelengths of visible light. So, growth of the rabbit. Therefore, the root is embedded in the skin of the rabbit. So, based in my own opinion under the microscope, when I see the result of the root in the rabbit, the texture of the root is straight and curved.
When observing goat hair under a microscope, one interesting observation is the presence of scales on the surface of the hair. These scales, also known as cuticles, can be seen as overlapping layers along the length of the hair. The shape and arrangement of these scales can vary between different types of goat hair. Additionally, microscopic examination of a goat hair can also reveal the presence of small cracks or damage of the hair shaft, which can affect the overall quality and durability.
One of the samples of animal hair we chose was the hair of dog. In some hair samples, root was present. While observing the root of hair samples under a microscope, original texture and appearance were seen in hair samples of dog. Dog root literally has a slight shape like a spade. They are tiny, similar to the horse root. Though dog root has a plain and large shape compared in other animal hair sample, it also has a dark color and has a cut on its edge.
Based on what we observe under the microscope, a hair shaft similar to a drinking straw in that has a hollow core that is very dark center. Sometimes look like bubbles. Surrounding this core, the medulla is the pigment. This gives the shaft its color. The medulla is shown fragmented and very narrow, as it appears human hair. The medulla much wider in horsehair, as you will see.
Next, I discuss about the hair of the sheep under microscoping. Sheep hair had narrower diameter than dog hairs and did not contain a visible medulla or pigments granule throughout the hair shaft. The cuticle was wider and appeared ridges, and also the root of the hair of the sheep smooth but not darker than dog.
Today I'm going to explain based on what the characteristics of cotton under microscope. As we all know, these plant natural fibers were all common use. Cotton is a soft, fluffy, staple fibers that grows in a ball or protective case around the seeds of the cotton plants. The characteristic under microscope, cotton fibers look like a twisted ribbon or a collapsed and twisted tube. That cotton is different from other fibers. Although they have similarities, but cotton made from natural fibers that easily broken without the shape of cutting, their length, diameter, and the root shaft tip, they have any branches that made all from natural.
Hair stretch. Human hair stretch contains a protein called keratin, which has a unique structure that allows it to stretch and return to its original shape without breaking. Keratin is made up of long chains of amino acids that are linked together by strong chemical bonds. These chains are arranged in a ball helix shape that give hair its strength and flexibility. When hair is stretched, the helix structure unravels slightly, allowing the chain to unfold and length. When the tension is released, the helix structures reform and the hair returns to its original length and shape.
Burn hair. The burn hair under the microscope. We observe discoloration of the hair. We also observe the changes of hair shape, maybe due to the high temperature, the heat exposure.
Human hair naturally pulling.
Various factors can affect the rate of hair shedding, including genetics, age, hormonal changes, nutritional status, in certain medical conditions, for example, hormonal changes during pregnancy or postpartum can cause temporary increased hair shedding, which may be alarming to some individuals. However, this shedding is usually temporary and resolved on its own.
Let's proceed to forcibly remove hair. So, unlikely to the naturally fallen hair, the forcibly removed hair is thinner than naturally fallen hair, although we can able to see the some part of the forcibly removed hair under the microscope. We also see the changes of its shape.